Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can withdraw your money or credit balance from temu app. If you have a balance on your temu app and you want to withdraw your temu app balance into your credit card or debit card, then what will happen? For that, just open your temu app on your mobile phone and go to your profile. This U is your profile option. Now here you can see at the top RS 280 credit balance. Now I have 280 rupees in my temu app. So I will click on this. When you click on this, here you can see the option called use it now. So when I click on this use it now, it will ask me to purchase something in this amount. But if you want to withdraw your money, for that, just at the front side of credit balance, you can see this I button. Click on this I button and scroll down, and here you can see, can I withdraw cash from my credit balance? Your credit balance can only be used for purchases on Temu. You will not be able to redeem your Temu credit balance for cash. So it's regarding to Temu app, you cannot withdraw your money in your credit or balance. You can only purchase something by this amount.